Guys, welcome back to me Ahsan vlog. So in this vlog we are going to Eco Park at Madurai. So me and Asif is waiting over there. So we both are going to Eco Park and check how it is. So let's go guys.
Oh baby now, let me warm you up. Baby please, let me love you my
Guys, anyway we are starting our vlog here. Look at the Eco Park. Maintained so nicely guys. We are now outside actually. We are now outside. Now we have to go to the counter and we have to pay them. Look at this guys. The price is so cheap guys. It is just 5 rupees. This is a beauty in Madurai. Come on, look at this place guys. How beautiful it is. At the same time it is so cool time and the weather is so nice, and you come here every day, it is gonna be so nice, isn't it? So that's why I thought like I should come here. And look how beautiful it is guys. Look, so greenery, maintaining so well. Birds are singing in all the trees, you know. What to say, like we have to show the people, you guys are outside Madurai. When you guys come to Madurai, when you need a fun time, you must look. There are two squirrels playing over there. These kind of things we can only watch in the park. So anyway guys, whenever you come Madurai, don't forget to visit Eco Park, Madurai Eco Park. So nice, so greenery, and really nice to come here guys. Please keep it clean guys, because here in Madurai they are keeping it so clean. Don't put any plastics over here. So nicely maintained. Just 5 rupee ticket. Ticket is just 5 rupee, and I thought they will ask for 10 or 20 rupees or 30 or 40 rupees. We can even give 50 rupee. It is worthful. And 5 rupees is a ticket, and it is really nice. If you bring cameras are charged 50 rupees per camera. Sure. So look at that guys. Wow. Looks so nice. So nice. Can't you even ask me, what do you say? Do you think this is Madurai?
No.
No idea for him. Even I don't think it is Madurai. You know, when you come for photo shoot or something, you can use this place. So nice. Camera is just 50 rupees guys. You can come. There is a fountain over there, but right now the fountain is off. In our childhood, we used to stand here. We used to stand holding this, and we will be enjoying. The fountain comes so long guys. It comes so long, and we used to enjoy over here. It is a nice experience in childhood. Now the fountain is off actually. They are not having the fountain now, but so cool, you know. The temperature gives so much beauty to this place. Come here, have fun time. You know, after lockdown, you want a... Yes. I thought many vloggers will come here, but I think we are the first people to do this. In Madurai, I think so, but I don't know, because I didn't find many vlogging videos in Eco Park. But it is so nice. Wow. It's a nice statue over there. My action cam will not give you that much, what to say, that much view, quality view. They are maintaining so well, and it is really worth for 5 rupee. Yoga class going on here. So if you come here, if you are staying here, you wanna have a yoga time, you can have yoga. Even yoga classes available. Nice. Artificial coconut tree. Yeah. When you come at night to the Eco Park, this is gonna glow so nicely. And look, they have used useless things and they have made this look so nice, you know. The waste stuff, with the use of waste stuff, they have did all this stuff. So nice. Everything they use the old stuff, old bike stuff and everything they have made. Look at this. So nice. Wow. Yeah, this is cuckoo. Wow, so nice. So they have did with all the old things, you know. The old useless things, they have did all these things. Looks so nice. They have given some lightning effect also. So when you come at night, when you come at night, it's gonna be so nice. Wow. Mahatma Gandhi. Wow, nice. Good. Right. Okay, anyway, the useless things, na, the iron stuff, the useless things are used so nicely, isn't it, Adi? Mostly it suits for the family. When you come with your full family, you want to spend time, you can come here. It's gonna be so nice. Even physical gym stuff is available over here. Look, the cycling and all the stuff. Now it is closed because for the corona actually. When you come here, just walk and relax. As a youngsters like us. But if you come with family, they're gonna sit somewhere, talk with people, and spend time. Recreated to a useful stuff. What is it? This is the highlight. If you ask me what is the highlight, I will say that this one. Super creative level. Superb. So after ending this, we may go explore somewhere. So you will see in another vlog about that. For this vlog, we are ending here. So I hope you all like this video, guys. Like, share and subscribe to Miyas and Me vlog, and also subscribe to Asif's channel Master Gamers, and see you guys in next video. Tata, bye bye. Before that, don't watch this video without subscribing, please. Bye bye, guys. Available, fountain dance is available, but due to corona they don't have that fountain dance and all those stuff. So when you come here after COVID if you want to see fountain dance. But if you want to get some relax, come here, just 5 rupee ticket, you can just have some fun time. So bye bye.
Oh baby, please let me love you much. Baby, baby, don't be